I've been trying to reach people on the importance of it, and I can't seem to get it through people's heads. I'm not trying to be a, you know, a bully or a lecturing teacher, but lately, I know this through this pandemic, we've had a really horrible problem with people running red lights or stop signs. Now, I'm not including those of cyclists, you know, for the stop signs, but last night, for what some of you may have noticed, is we had an accident on I-5 last night involving a couple armed suspects who hijacked a semi, and they had to close down I-5, and a lot of these roads were bumper to bumper for more than 6 hours. It took people 2 hours just to get a couple miles, from what I heard. I was at work, so I didn't have to worry about it. I didn't get to see all what went on. However, last night when I got off, traffic wasn't too bad, but there were still a lot of people in a major hurry. Some people were running red lights just because they didn't want to wait, which I understand. When you're tired and you've been at work and sitting in traffic all day, they can get on your nerves, but you still have to follow the laws, regardless of how much you hate it. And I had a green light, scanned the intersection, didn't see anybody coming, I began to go. This was at Carpenter and Martin, and here comes a semi, lays it down at about 40, 45, you know, 40 is the speed limit, but he might have been 5 over. Goes right through the red, a solid red light. Whoa! Fuck, man! Reasons why, I have no idea. Maybe they didn't have enough time to stop and they had no choice but to go through the red light. However, red light running, not only is it illegal, but it can seriously
Broad Street with caution.
kill somebody.
May not stop. Broad Street with caution. Vehicles may not stop.
And people don't realize that if you hit somebody and kill them, that's vehicular manslaughter and you're going to prison for quite a while. And if a person is lucky to survive, they can sue the hell out of you. And this is a warning. If anybody hits me, you know, when I'm following and obeying the laws, I will sue to the maximum amount that I'm allowed to per law, if I'm even able to do so to begin with. I'm not an attorney, but I'm pretty sure I have that right to do so. So, let's just say vehicle accidents are not fun. They are devastating. They have a major effect on people's lives. It may not sound like not a big deal until you actually get in one or you witness one and you realize the magnitude of it. And I don't want anybody to go through that. So please be patient. If you have a red light, stop at it. If you have a stop sign, stop at it. You know, unless you're a cyclist and you have all clear, then go with caution. But you know, and again, this is per Washington state law, so it might be different in other states for cyclists. But But if you're driving, especially if you're driving a motor vehicle, you're driving a huge, heavy, giant box on wheels that could kill a person instantly or severely injure. Even if both parties are in a car and they get in a wreck, they may have a higher probability of surviving as opposed to a car versus a bike or a motorcycle. But you can still get killed in a car wreck or majorly injured. And those medical bills are not fun. We already have a medical problem in this country as it is when it comes to insurers. You know, insurance companies not paying what they should be paying, but they can't afford it half the time, or at least they claim they can't. I should say that they can't afford it. They probably can, they just don't want to. In a way, I don't blame them. There's too much medical debt, too much scams, medical scams out there. But besides the point, is just follow the traffic laws. You're not inferior if you follow the traffic laws. You're not a pussy. You know, we need to get rid of this hyper-masculine bullshit that we have going on, where you have to feel like you have to be a badass or a hot shot and break the laws because your ego is hurt. Drop the ego and just follow the laws. Simple as that. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to write to the Lacey City Council. There's the Thurston County, Tumwater, and Olympia, and urge them, suggest and urge them to, if they can, to install red light cameras at intersections. I think Lacey had them about 7+ years ago. They were pretty effective. People were actually stopping at red lights, but now we're getting an influx of new people from out of state that are moving here with attitudes. No doubt about that. And even many of the people around here who live for a while are getting attitudes and piss some people off. I think these red light signals are probably, they cost a lot of money, maintenance, and I think that's the reason why I think the city was paying more than they were getting out of it, but I think it was a good investment because of people were actually stopping at red signals for the most part. And this is a change that needs to, or an idea that needs to come back. So I'm going to write the city council and see if I can get that going. In the meantime, I'm on my way out. Have a good day and be safe out there.